In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and optimize your Google My Business profile. Now, if you're a business owner, this is an invaluable tool that helps you manage your online presence across Google, including both search and maps. Let's get started by signing in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first, as it's essential for accessing the Google Business Profile Manager. Once you're signed in, the next step is to search for your business name on Google or head directly to the Google Business Profile Manager. You'll want to look for a button that says Manage Now. This is your gateway to setting up your profile. Click it, and you're on your way to making your business more discoverable online. The heart of setting up your Google My Business account lies in entering the correct business details. This includes your business name, address, category, and operating hours. Be sure to enter this information accurately, as it directly affects how customers find and perceive your business. Consider the business category carefully. It will determine where and how your business shows up in search results, so make sure it's as precise as possible. After inputting these details, verification is the key next step. This is Google's way of ensuring that the information you've entered is trustworthy. You'll often see the option to verify by receiving a postcard to your business address, a phone call, or an email. Follow the prompts for the method you choose and wait patiently. They can take some time. Once your business details are verified, the real fun begins. It's time to optimize your profile. Start by adding engaging photos. Images can make a significant difference in attracting customers. Pictures of your storefront, products, and even your team help potential customers connect with your business visually. Next, don't forget to list your services and create a compelling business description. The goal here is to give potential customers a clear and inviting snapshot of what makes your business unique. Use keywords that resonate with your target audience, but keep it natural and inviting. Finally, managing customer interactions is a continual task. Google My Business allows you to engage directly through reviews and messages. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews and always respond to feedback, whether it's positive or negative. This interaction shows potential customers that you value them and are committed to providing excellent service. Remember, keeping your information up to date, regularly adding photos, and engaging with customers can significantly enhance your visibility and reputation online. With consistent effort, your Google My Business profile will become a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Google My Business journey.